thank you.
Room 404, space.
404.
This one. Yes, sir.
Window view to SM Clark to main entrance. Refrigerator have a safety box available.
We have.
This is safety box. Sleepers. Laundry bag. So if someone want to clean
Not
clothes,
change.
just put in the bag
Yeah.
and give to the lobby.
Yes, sir.
It's need to pay. How much need pay for 1 kilo?
The front desk, no. We
Front desk. Need just only front desk.
Not us.
Mhm.
We don't know how much.
This is CR. In CR have big CR. With you can watch.
That's the blinds.
Yes, blinds. Yes, I see blinds. In China, I stay in same, but have bathtub here. If visitor, you can watch what he do it now. It's also good. Nice room. Okay.
Okay, sir, done?
Yes, thank you very much. I will show to my subscribers room number 404. But this season not so many tourists now.
Yes.
I see
You
this.
want to see the swimming pool?
I want to see in the rooftop,
Yeah.
rooftop.
This one.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
thank you. Good.
Breakfast every morning.
Every morning breakfast also here.
Yes.
It's good. Fresh air, nice place. Oh, it's big swimming pool. A restaurant. So every morning you can eat breakfast and swim also here. Shower. Very close from La Grande residence. It's very close. It's walking distance, maybe 5 minutes only. And this is a hotel, Boomerang Hotel, where I park car. And this is short time hotel. This short time, 300, about 300 peso, 3 hours. And you can see SM City Clark. This is SM City Clark. This.
Sir, I'm gonna leave you. You can look around.
No, yeah, no problem. Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you. And also Clark International Airport. It's very close. Clark Medical Center also near. Air Force City. Airport City, you can see. Welcome back. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Nice hotel. And silent place also here. Free parking. Yes, but now not so many tourists, of course. I think after New Year many tourists come. I hope. This also have for rent. You can rent this house. Someone who interested, call only. Call and ask. I think many apartments inside. It's very close from the Capitol Hills Hotel in front.